Okay, come take a look at these two babies right here. On my left, a rocket stove, and on my right, a mass oven. Ideally, in the desert, I wouldn't build some kind of oven that uses wood, because the desert doesn't have a lot of wood. But we have huge date farms on the north and in the south that create huge amounts of date fronds as garbage, and there's nothing to do with them besides burn them. You can't even compost them. So the way these two things work is this rocket stove is what you would use instead of your gas stove in the kitchen. It was developed in Mexico as it's used a lot around the world in places where deforestation for cooking, for fire for cooking, is a problem. So this one was designed in Mexico, I think, and the way it works is it's an L shape. You can see it if you come here. It's an L shape, like this. The firewood goes on top, and this tray makes sure that air would always come in from the bottom, and so the edges of the wood burn in a very clean and strong combustion. So the fire is very strong. There's a very small amount of smoke coming out, and because of the big insulation around it, all of the heat comes straight out. And then it really looks like a rocket, like the back of a rocket, like an earthship. That's why it's called a rocket stove. I'm sure those of you who will get to use it, it's really amazing. It's incredible. The mass oven stove is created with a lot of mud. This is very thick mud. This is very thick mud. The way I work it, I turn on the oven, I put a fire inside, let it burn for a little bit, then let it die out, and then the walls and the ground stay really hot and radiate heat outside, and then I stick something inside. Maybe bread, pizza, whatever I need. We use these a lot.
Not for food?
It is for food.
Where do you put the food then?
In a pan, or it's not done yet.
On it.
But yeah, exactly, in a pan or a pot on top.
Oh, like he said gas. I forgot that. The gas range.
So this is like an oven and this is like a stove.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
During the, there are ways of turning this into an oven too by putting. We're thinking ahead. We're gonna get there hopefully in the next few months. By putting a metal, big metal can around it, like on top of it, so it heats the bottom up, and then you put like baking things inside the metal can. But what we have right now is these two. This isn't yet done. We use these and the solar cookers, which is our next step. We'll go see them. But we use all of the cooking technologies at least once a week. We do eat in a dining room, but once a week at least we have a community potluck. A potluck is an American word, I guess, for like with people. Exactly. Everybody brings something. Everybody brings something. So it's part of the programs to get together once a week and cook for each other and have some quality time together. And you see, when you come here, it's usually Thursday afternoon. If you come here Thursday morning, you see all the ovens with something. It's a really big part of the programs to really get everybody closer together.
¿El de Colombia qué hace? Es lo mismo que papi. El de Colombia.